So here's a round of applause. I'm going to teach math. So it's really important. This one, fundamentals, especially if you're going to be studying shapes and all that, and if you want to consider careers in architecture and design and that, problem solving skills, and maybe you'll learn something useful. So get ready to learn something useful. So I'm Mr. Ray the teacher. There's my social media. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and also feel free to check out my other videos too. And also remember, spread the word. So subject is mathematics, basic calculations. The concept is Pythagoras Theorem. So yeah, it's a numbers game, and there's my social media. Check out my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos are out regularly. Also my Patreon if you want to spread the kudos and the love. And yeah, let's get on with it. So first of all, Pythagoras Theorem, or also known as Pythagorean Theorem. Pythagoras was an ancient Ionian Greek philosopher, and is most famous for coming up with his theory, and this one, and other mathematical discoveries. It's useful because it helps us calculate and can be used in jobs such as architecture and for navigating if you're lost in the seas. Right, so we use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle when the other side lengths are known. So not this bad boy, which is an equilateral triangle. And yet, do you know the first one? Leave a comment below if you do. But what you need to know is we use Pythagoras theorem with right-angled triangles. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right-angled triangle. So how does it work? Here's how it works. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. You're probably thinking, squared? What? What are these letters? Well, let me demystify these for you. So remember, squared means a number multiplied by itself. So if you think about it, the number being squared. So 3 squared. 1, 2, 3. So squared. 2. You got 2 there, so let's do it times itself. 3 times 3 equals. The numbers being squared forms a square. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total, 9 squares. Same goes for cubed, but this time we're taking it 3D. It makes a cube. And what happens to the power of 4? Well, leave a comment below or check out Google or some other search engine if you don't have Google. The answers are out there if you seek them. Pythagoras theorem. So here we go. Here's a worked out example. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Just color code them to make it easier. Do you see that? Also, here's our sides. 3 squared, because we've got 3 on the color red side, plus 4 squared, because we've got 4 on the color blue side, equals squared, or c squared. We don't know that yet. So here we go. Square amount. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. If you don't believe me, count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've got 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 equals c squared. So what is 9 plus 16? 25. You know what's funnier? 26. SpongeBob jokes. So there we go, 25. We got to square root it. Remember, we've got to get a square here. So if we've got a square root of 25, what is it? 5. Therefore, c equals 5 centimeters. Do not forget your unit of measurement. My goodness, you will get deducted marks if you mess that one up or forget that one. So please don't forget it. So remember, there are 9 squared centimeters here. There are 16 squared centimeters here. And there are 25 squared centimeters here. And that's how it checks out. And yeah, don't forget to check the answer. If you've got a lot of working out, it just lets the teacher know where your answer is. And yeah, we can see where you went wrong or where you went right, or what you get, what you don't get if you have all your working out step by step. Step by step, Dun, dun, dun. I think I might have infringed copyright there. My friend was singing that song, but there's an animation for you. All right, so what did you learn today? If someone asks you that, give them this as an answer. So Pythagoras Theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And it only works on right-angled triangles. And remember, something squared equals something times itself. And this is useful for navigation and measuring figures which are unknown. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my other videos to spread the word. Tell your classmates, friends, and colleagues if this helped you out, if you learned something. And feel free to check out my Patreon. Feel free to support me, spread the love if this video helped you out. Watching ads helps too if they've been activated here. So thanks for that. And special thanks and shout out to the following. So these people, so ATNK and A_Simi. So these people helped me out hardcore. And also for Tina H and for Action Man and all the crew there. They're the ones that helped give me the class to teach this to. And yeah, now you guys can get it. Right, we'll leave it at that. Remember to study hard and keep learning for a bright future, and catch you on the flip side. Bye now.